is going to be carried out after burning this paper to recuperate their ashes. So you start to burn. You can help her. Others can help you to take those paper in order to be burnt well. Okay? We need those old paper to be burnt, and then the ash can be recuperated then after. And you put all this. Okay? So you see how they have to take care of them. The fire is a fire. Fire is a fire. You arrange them. You can arrange this paper in order to be well burnt. And then after, we want to recuperate this ash, and we want also to test the ash if it is base, and that basic property will help us to carry out many experiments such as titration and such as also soap manufacturing and so on. So we know that the base is more useful. If you still not having a fire, you use a match also. You use a match. Take a match also and fire it. Because we can carry out an experiment. We use it until this ash has been. And you use English. I want you to speak English. Right? To speak English. Clear what I mean? You don't know how to cook well. You can put away this much. This much, put it away. Okay, it's enough. You can take it as well, and let us do it. Another, someone who has gloves, you can even do like this in order to collect those ashes. But avoid it to be burnt. Avoid it to be burnt. You should be avoiding it to be burnt. First of all, you take. Is there someone who have a stick? Avoid it to be burnt. I don't want to. Even you can take a stick. A stick, you don't know. Agati. In order to remove those burning substances, and yes, and you correct it. Then after you clash it, and you know that there is no fire inside. To make sure that there is no fire inside, and this is an experiment to carry out to correct the ash to be used in laboratory. So the corrected ash is required to carry out many experiments as soap manufacturing and the titration reactions, even though confirmatory test as well, we are now doing it in cation and anions test as it is known. So if it is off, if there is no fire, you try to correct it before. You collect it as well in a beaker. Put it into a beaker. Is there a fire? You want to burn these gloves? My gloves cannot be burnt, so you avoid them to be burnt. So, and you remove those who has not burnt, and those the remainings can be put in a dustbin. You know, muri puberi ibisigara murabishyira hehe? In dustbin. Correct it. Put it in a beaker. The whole ash can be put in a beaker. And we want to see how much we can make a base, and this basicity can help us to be to apply any scientific situation in real life. And if you are now looking about it, so you will be ready to be active and to make. What is this? Okay, it's up. You will clean after. You will clean this. Yeah, take it and we go in the laboratory. Further experiment can be carried out in the laboratory.